Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in on KuCoin app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your KuCoin app on your phone, wait till this ad goes away, and right away it will look like this, which will simply show you, oh my god, am I logged in? But you're not. So for that, you simply have to tap on your profile icon on top left corner. Then you will find this login option. Tap on login, scan, and there you go. You can simply go ahead, be able to log in right away, and that is it. So that is how you can do it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.